Time for another look at your weather on the ones right here on Spectrum News. We get another very hot day with high temperatures most likely easily climbing into the 90s. And in case you didn't know, we average in Louisville about 42 90-degree or more days per year. Now, so far this year, we've only had 3, which was actually surprising when I crunched some of the numbers. But we're going to certainly add to this total over the next several days with this heat wave. You see all the days we are expecting 90-degree readings here, which is well above average for this time of the year by some 8, 9, 10 degrees or so. And you add in the humidity, it's just going to be absolutely miserable. And because of the heat and the humidity and the extreme heat index values, we are under major heat risk impacts today. And when you get those major impacts, you start to really become concerned about the risk for heat stroke and heat exhaustion here. And this type of heat, as you see there, really affects anybody that doesn't have effective cooling or can't hydrate themselves. So you really got to take this very seriously. And as we go through the next couple of days, would not be surprising if right in the metro we start to see some of those extreme impacts from this heat. Back up into the 90s by this afternoon and this evening. Just another brutally hot day. If you want to cool off with a sweet treat, well, you're going to have to really wolf it down, because it's going to start to melt basically as soon as your favorite shop hands it over to you. It is going to start to melt. So enjoy that ice cream while you can in this heat. And the heat is really going to stick around. You see here by this afternoon into the 90s. There could be 1 or 2 pop-up very stray showers or thunderstorms. The majority of us will stay dry, remaining very hot and muggy tonight. Waking up Monday morning, very, very warm, and we shoot right back into the 90s for Monday, and you start to see maybe 1 or 2 of those afternoon and evening pop-up storms. So an uncomfortably hot day, well above average temperatures into the 90s across the entire metro, with those heat indices well above 100. Remember, we've got the heat advisory in effect through Tuesday now. Low temperatures tonight, these numbers not really reached until just before sunrise Monday morning. And basically every day we're going to see the same thing. Highs well into the 90s and that chance for a very isolated afternoon pop-up shower or storm.